One of the biggest problems that we face as a society is consuming food that causes blood sugar spikes, that causes blood insulin spikes. We have this idea that the ideal breakfast is cereal and maybe some toast and juice. And this is really far from what we should be consuming on a regular basis. That's the reason why we have Smart Meal. Smart Meal is basically my go-to breakfast. It's my go-to convenient, healthy meal because it contains a lot of protein, it contains fiber, it contains some healthy fats. And what it does is allows me to have a meal, to have those calories that I need to function without having that major blood sugar spike, without having that large insulin spike. It basically allows me to preserve my nutritive fast so that I'm still able to burn calories throughout the day, so that I'm still able to burn fat throughout the day, but maintain a high level of protein, maintain a high level of lean muscle, which I'm not talking lean muscle for bodybuilding, I'm talking lean muscle which is necessary for maintaining my base metabolic rate as it should. So Smart Meal, the great thing about it is it's just convenient. It's easy. It's a meal in itself, and it's a meal that is truly healthy from a glucose metabolism, blood sugar, blood insulin response point of view. Great product, great meal, very convenient.